If you are looking to take your WordPress website to next level, then this video is gonna be for you. In this video, we will see how to install Mania, which is specially designed to create any type of online store website. Let's get started. First, open your WordPress dashboard and click on Appearance. Now, click on Add New Theme. Go to search bar and search for Mania. You can see Mania here. Click on Install button. After installation, click on Activate. The theme is activated. Now go to Mania options in Appearance. Now go to Starter Templates. Click on Startup Site plugin and then Import Demo. You will find over 50 pre-made demos compatible with various page builders. Currently, some of them are locked as they are premium demos. To unlock them, upgrade the theme to Pro by clicking on this button. Importing a demo is so easy. Let's see why importing one. So choose a demo and click on it. This is the preview of the site. You can visit the full site and see all the pages. After all, click on Continue. Click on Build My Website. Now wait for a while. Our site is built now. If you want to customize the site, you can click on Customize. If you click on Customize, the site will open with the page builder as this opened with Elementor. You can make any changes here. After customization, click on Publish to save the changes and go back. Now click on View Website. This is our site built in a few steps. There are separate sections dedicated to products, product categories, bestseller, etc. On the shop page, users can see all the products of the store. If you want to add the product to wishlist or cart, it can be done from here. Likewise, there are pages for popular products, sales products, and for product category too. From the contact us page, users can contact you through this form. Down there, you can give your address with the help of map creatively. In the header, there are some icons. This is wishlist. If items are marked to wishlist, they will appear here. Beside the wishlist, this icon leads to account page. Users can register and log in through this page. This is cart icon. Same as wishlist, if something is added to cart, it will show here. This is floating cart. And with this clock icon, you can see all the products you visited recently. You can customize the site with this button. Here, you can customize the layouts, typography, color customization options, menu settings, etc. Now let's see what we get after upgrading the theme to Pro. First, you get access to these premium templates. With the help of these templates, you can create any type of e-commerce website. You just need to replace the dummy product and content after importing the template. You get the product designs, pre-made header styles, page styles, and so many advanced settings. Not only this, if you buy the Mania Pro, you unlock the Elementor add-ons that are ultimate booster for Elementor. With the help of Elementor add-ons, you can design your site with more power. As there is a product slider add-on which helps to showcase the products in slider. There are so many add-ons including coupon, price box, sliders, testimonial, and many more. So this is how you can install the Mania theme. Thanks for watching.